Here is a 52-inch Casablanca Classic by Emerson. It is the plain version, not the ornate one that's most commonly seen. And I picked this up for $15 off San Antonio Craigslist, along with a couple other things, along with JR, who was here at the time. And it's a pretty good fan, as one might expect, it being Casablanca. And these are hard to come by, actually. I've seen a couple of them here in the neighborhood that I live in. But overall, they're pretty scarce. Look at this, pretty good fan here. Except one of the blades is warped, so it wobbles a little bit, but nothing that can't be fixed, I guess. And so the light works here. Got that going. It is reversible via a reverse switch on top of the motor housing. Here's high. Looks like there might be an imbalance in the blades too. Medium. And low, which is where it's most noticeable. Its pull chain's going crazy. It's got a nice, real slow little speed on it. And then off. But great fan, definitely. Definitely great. And I'm glad I got it. It's one of my favorites. Now, what I didn't mention is these blades are solid wood as well. So that's pretty cool. But anyway, there's that video, and I hope that you enjoyed.